Students, how are you? I hope you must be fine. In this video, we have to learn the Moral Science, chapter 13, and the chapter name is Abraham Lincoln. I hope you have seen the photo of Abraham Lincoln, right? And even you have heard this name earlier also. So this is the photo of Abraham Lincoln, given in your book also. Okay, student, so Abraham Lincoln's story is given in your book. So we should learn from him. What we should learn? Let's complete the chapter first. Let's see what is given in the chapter. And then at the end, we will come up that what we have to learn with this great personality. Right? So let's see a few lines we will see. We are not going to read it line by line. Okay? I'll give a short summary of this chapter. You have to go through this chapter. So what is that? Student, Abraham Lincoln is what? It is a great, they were a great leader. Right? A great personality. He was an extraordinary man. He was not an ordinary man. Right? He was extraordinary man. So what is that it made him extraordinary? Right? He was not, you must be aware that his personality was not very, very good. His face was like a dry cherry. Right? His friends used to call him an honest ape. Right? But he was not ashamed of his physical appearance. Even their parents, even Abraham Lincoln parents were also not so educated. They don't have even their own house. They don't have the money that they should bring their own house. They should buy their own house. Right? But his son is one of the greatest leader. Right? So, Abraham Lincoln was a 16th president of United States of America. In spite of his not good personality, he never felt ashamed. He devoted all his life to free the black slaves. Slaves, who are slaves, perhaps you know, जिसको बंदी बना के रखते हैं. They do, उनके साथ अच्छा behave नहीं करते हैं. Right? So what he did, he devoted his whole life to free the black slaves. Okay, student? Please you go through this page. We'll move to the next page. We will learn only the important points. Right? So, Lincoln was not very, very highly educated. But he has a great experience. So that is why it is written here, Lincoln was a man of great experience with lesser learning. He has not learnt very, very much. But he has a great experience with him. He also worked as a storekeeper, then woodcutter, then butcher, then tanner, then surveyor. He worked with these posts. So, when you work from the bottom, when you face the problem, you know how other feels when they are in the same situation. Okay? So, because he was a storekeeper, woodcutter, butcher, so he could understand the feeling of the poor people. at that time, the society was divided into two classes. One class is a black, another class is a white, according to the color of the skin. What he saw, who? Abraham Lincoln. We are studying about the Abraham Lincoln. Okay. So what he saw, that society was divided into two parts. One is black, another is white. The black one is being exploited. उनका शोषण करते थे. Is being exploited. And the white has a liberty to exploit. Means जो गोरे लोग थे वो काले लोग के ऊपर शोषण करते थे. Okay. He was a man, Abraham Lincoln was a man who fulfilled the expectation of his own people. Because he could understand the feeling, the pain of another person. So he fulfilled the expectation of his own people. Right? Then as in India, we have Jawaharlal Nehru. He was fond of children. Children love him very much. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also loved the children very much. Similarly, Abraham Lincoln also have the similarly habit that he wants to play with the children. He wants to accompany it with the children. बच्चों से घिरे रहना चाहते थे. बच्चों से बात करना चाहते थे. Okay. Then he has faced many challenges. He has seen such a pathetic situation of the black that even those person who have the black skin, whether that person is man or a woman or a children, they are being auctioned. Perhaps you know the meaning of auction. उनकी बोली लगती थी. Right? Auction means उनकी बोली लगती थी. Right? So the black were auctioned at that time. By seeing all these things, Abraham Lincoln heart felt of sorrow. Even he had said once, if I ever get a chance, I will hit hard. To whom? He will hit hard. To the white person. Right? He has worked very well for the society, for the country, US country, right? So he was elected as a president of the US. He was, because of his good work, right? He is having a diplomatic skill. The people used to thought that the country will be divided into two parts. But he has handled the things very carefully, very nicely. And he got a success in that. Abraham Lincoln was re-elected as a president. Means, दोबारा president बने वो. Okay. But unfortunately, you know that when you get a success, the enemy are also there. Okay. So unfortunately, the Lincoln could not live long. He was shot dead at the age of 56 years on the Good Friday when he was watching the play in a Ford's theater. And he was no more. But he earned a great repute at international level, not only to the country level, not to the US level, but his personality, his work, his experience earned a great repute at an international level. The world admires him for his leadership quality. The world admires him for his leadership quality and devotion toward the mankind. Right? Very few people are there, those who think of others. Right? So, student, this is what the Abraham Lincoln story is given. I hope you have understood the points. So, what you have learned? You have learned that how the man, we should not, how the man with a not good personality also, not good face also, not good skin also, can do a great achievement, not only to the family, to the society, to the humanity, to the country, but to the international level. But nothing is easy. The path of success is very, very hard. You have to take a hard work, right? You have to do a hard work, wise decision, a patience. Then you will reach to the point of success. Okay, student, so please go through the chapter, and any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.